Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and tasty and also smart way to pickle your vegetable or your fruits, whatever you want to pickle. Today is your day. I'm going to show it to you. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just let you know that you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comments. So to make your pickle, I have some empty jars here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one jar by this, and I'm gonna fill it with water. So you have one with water, and I'm gonna fill this with vinegar. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm using half water, half vinegar. So I'm gonna use some good salt. So I'm gonna use half a deciliter Celtic salt. And I'm using 1 deciliter sugar. So what you need to do, we're gonna let this boil up a bit until sugar and the salt been dissolved. With this, you can add whatever you want to add to it. You know, I'm just gonna put a couple of pimento berries in this, but it's personal preference. Bay leaf, and then I'm gonna bring this up to a boil, and then we're gonna start our process by cutting our vegetables or fruits, whatever you have to use. You can use it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my bottles. As I said, I'm using 2 of these, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some garlic, because you can start to make your layers. So put some garlics, put this that you can see, a bit of peppercorn in. So what we're gonna try to do is to build like a layer. So we're just gonna set this aside, and then with the onion, you can just do a couple of slices of onion. Just put it in like so. With some thyme inside. Then we're gonna get cucumber. You know, wash it, let it dry. So this one, I'm gonna cut this. You can cut it whichever way you want to cut it. But this one, I'm gonna slice it. When you slice it, try to get them a little bit thick. Don't cut it too thin. Because you want that crunchiness after you put it in a jar. So cut them a little bit thick. And just take your cucumber, stuck him in. Or if you want, you can do cucumber in one. Try to push it down a bit. And you can do carrot or whatever you want to put in the next one. So what I'm going to do, just a change of plans. I'm going to use carrots in this one. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to try even up these carrots. So I want them about like this. Okay. All right, then I'm going to use these bits. I'm going to put them in the bottom. Give it a bit of color. So just even it up. But these bits here, I'm not going to throw them away because I'm just going to chop this a little bit small. And just put it over the carrot also, the cucumber. And you'll see the finish. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm just even up the side to get it cut even. So I'm going to follow the same step with the rest. So now I'm going to cut them in a button form, about like this. So I'm using a really sharp knife. Then I'm going to stick them inside here. We're just going to stuck him straight in. Can take a couple bit more. And this is easy to do. You can do whatever you choose, whatever you like. Then I'm gonna get some bay leaf and stick on the side of it. You know, with this you can use whatever you like. Stick some bay leaf in. And then I'm gonna use some radicchio on this. Bit more peppercorn. So the radicchio, I'm just going to cut them in half like this, just for a bit of color. So these are good to go, but if you want, you can add a bit of chili to it. Just a couple slices. Okay, so you will need one of this. You can get it on Amazon. Use it for when you're bottling things, so you don't make a mess. So you pour the liquid over. You notice it's rising up. And this is what it looked like. Get the next one. So make sure you cover everything. Sometimes if you put it in and you realize it's coming up, you can get a weight to put over it. I'll show you a simple one. You can get yourself one of this. You just put it here, and so it keep it down until cool. But this one is already cooled, so I'm just gonna pop the lid on it. So now I have some purple cabbage, so I'll just chop that up and do it also. So we're just gonna keep repeating the same process. So here I'm gonna do one with purple cabbage. So peppercorn in, bit of bay leaf, some thyme. So with this, I need it to have a little bit of color. I don't want it to be boring. So I'm gonna put some carrots at the bottom. Okay, now just gonna cut the cabbage. Now with this, you can cut it in whichever shape you think you like it to cut. You can cut it like this, shred it. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to any one of you, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and do subscribe. So I'm gonna cram it in. So try to get as much in as possible. Then you add some more, put a garlic in it, some more onion. So this almost full. So it should be good to go. And we're going to repeat the same process